विविधताओं वाले हमारे इस देश में प्रत्येक क्षेत्र की अपनी लोक कलाएं हैं, जिनकी अपनी विशेषताएं हैं। उत्तर भारत में इन लोक कलाओं के दस्तावेजीकरण या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की प्राथमिकता नहीं दिखती है।
क्या हम कभी सोचते हैं बिहार में लोक कला का इतिहास क्या है, वर्तमान क्या है और भविष्य क्या होगा? जब इसकी बात हम करते हैं तो मुझे अचानक ध्यान में आता है, क्या कोई आर्काइव है, क्या कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है? शायद नहीं। जो फोक कलाकार हैं, जो लोक कलाकार हैं, उनकी क्या शैली रही होगी, वो किस तरह से काम करते होंगे, उनके माध्यम क्या होता होगा, इसका कोई ब्यौरा मुझे खास तौर से हिंदी पट्टी में देखने को नहीं मिलता है।
फोक आर्टोपीडिया के मंच से इसकी शुरुआत का होना एक शुभ संकेत, सुखद संकेत है।
Folkatopedia is an initiative of ANN India to develop the first digital archive of folk, traditional and tribal arts. We are trying to document them and preserve them in its most original format. With the help of these documentations, we are trying to create a consolidated database of artisans, master craftsmen, their individual art styles, their history and culture. For the same, we are connecting art organizations, art researchers, art libraries, and different art museums and archives across the world. Once established the mutual relationship with them, it will help us to collect a copy of major art documentations and make them available here in India in digital format for research and study purposes. It would be a comprehensive cultural resource for students, scholars, researchers, and common mass.
Folkatopedia has 6 major projects: Connecting Culture, Share Heritage, Culture Digital, Born Digital, Living Libraries, and RCC, the abbreviation for Rural Craft Centers. We have 2 cultural exchange projects specially designed for craft communities: Connecting Culture and Share Heritage. Born Digital is a very unique project based on the repositories Folkatopedia is developing for primary school students and higher secondary students. And we have planned to develop RCC, initially 4 in Bihar, to develop more creative, vibrant sector.
We have 4 major programs: Art Talk, like Osara and The Symmetry. The Symmetry provide an opportunity to our artisans to share equal stage with contemporary artists in India, where contemporary artists are meant to be superior and privileged. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19 crisis, we are unable to organize Symmetry Talks. With Art Talks, we have programs like Cover and Heritage Education. Cover is an art residency program, and Heritage Education is a tour program designed for students and art lovers. We have an open forum program titled Happenings, where we are showcasing contemporary practices of traditional art and craft culture.
Documentation, preservation and maintaining such an archive is not an easy task.
All the programs require huge funding support from our friends, patrons, academies, companies, corporates, independent supporters, and from all the art-loving communities.
Support us because all of our programs, projects and documentations are just for one cause: to preserve our crafts and culture.
समाज के विभिन्न वर्ग के लोग सामने आए और फोक आर्टोपीडिया के साथ जो आर्थिक संकट है, उस आर्थिक संकट के लिए मजबूती से खड़े हों, तो उम्मीद है कि आने वाले दिनों में फोक आर्टोपीडिया बेहतर तरीके से चीज़ों का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कर पाएगी.
Help us to document all the undocumented resources, the craft communities, culture, and especially their living libraries. There is a quotation:
In Africa, when an old person dies, a library burns down. Here in India, especially in northern region, libraries are burning down undocumented.
Help us to document them.
जो थाती है वह किसी एक की थाती नहीं है, यह हमारे समाज की थाती है।
इसकी आवश्यकता हम लोग को इसलिए भी है कि आज से 100 साल बाद 200 साल बाद अगर कुछ जानना चाहें तो मेरे पास कोई साधन नहीं है। लोग आगे आएं और इसके महत्व को समझें और योगदान करें।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.